Hi viewers, welcome to another episode of The Original Taste. We are going to be doing yet another recipe in our kitchen with eggs and layers of crunchy garden fresh leaves bundled together. Yes, we are talking of cabbage, whose culinary expanse is as wide as the ocean, arrives at an exciting list of delicacies. Well, cabbage can be appropriate to create gourmet food that fits our occasions. So let's get down and explore the dish. First thing is first, break the eggs into a bowl. Whisk well. Add in salt to taste and a spoon of pepper powder. Whisk it well. Grease a tray or any container with oil. And transfer the eggs mixture to it. And lay the chopped cabbage. Now, fill a large pot with water and set on the stove to boil. After the water is boiling, carefully place the tray into the boiling water and allow it to cook until the mixture gets solidified. You can see the cabbage and eggs mixture is well cooked. Now it's time to take it out. With the help of knife, cut into square-shaped pieces. Pieces are spongy and tempting. Now take a pan, add in sufficient amount of oil. Once the oil gets heated up, add in a spoon of mustard seeds and next a spoon of cumin seeds. Once these are spluttering, add in chopped onions and 6 to 7 green chilies. You can adjust the green chilies depending on your tolerance of spice. If you like it spicy, you can go with about 5 to 6. If you don't like more spicy, reduce the chilies or 2. Now adding in curry leaves and a spoon of turmeric. Saute it nicely until it gets light brown color. Now adding in a spoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it well. Now adding in chopped tomatoes. Combine well, keep stirring. You wanted to bring together the tomatoes with the onions and the masala. You can see the lovely color of the dish, a bright yellow with some wisps of green that comes from the chilies and also offered some orangish red tone from the tomatoes. You wanted the tomatoes softened. I just want to cook the tomatoes down for a minute or 2 more. The tomatoes are nicely cooked and it's time to add in powder spices. Firstly goes in half a spoon of pepper powder, a spoon of coriander powder, and goes in a spoon of cumin powder and a spoon of garam masala and 2 spoons of red chili powder or according to your preferences. Adding in salt as per requirement, mix it well so that all the powder spices incorporates well. I can smell the delicious aroma of all the spices that have gone in. Now, adding in a cup of tamarind puree, and little water to make the gravy. Let it cook for a moment. And now it's time to introduce the square pieces to it. Cabbage is packed with nutrients and are not only good for health, cabbage is low in calories and has negligible fat content. hence great for weight management. Apart from this, the vegetable is loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, which is great for strengthening immunity and fighting diseases. Lid it up and let it cook for about 5 minutes and so on medium flame. Finally, garnish with coriander leaves. And now it's time to dish it out. It goes well with steamed rice or roti or paratha. I hope you enjoyed this episode, the making of scrumptious cabbage egg masala. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to The Original Taste. Until the next time, stay safe and happy healthy eating. Thank you.